All right. So we're going to talk about rocks today. You guys have been talking about soil and rocks and science, right? Okay. So we're going to start by reading a book about rocks. Okay, so the title of it is Learning About Rocks.
And there's the rocks.
Yep, and there's all different types of rocks on the cover. Yeah, and we're going to take a look at some of the rocks that I brought for you guys today too.
This one is so light and like a diamond.
It's very pretty.
A red one a little bit.
So, do you guys remember having talked about the parts of the book? What part of the book is this called? The front? The back? Good. Alright, so learn about rocks. Alright, Miss wants to talk to you guys about the table of contents. You guys remember what that tells you?
Yeah.
What does the table of contents tell you? So it tells you where you can go, what page you can go to, right? To learn about something that you want to learn about. So if you want to learn what are rocks, you can go to page 4. If you want to learn what kind of rocks there are, you can go to page 10. Alright. So it says, yeah, there's tons of rocks.
What is white and brown?
What are rocks? Tiny rocks line beaches. Tall mountains reach high in the sky. Rocks are almost everywhere. Where can you find rocks? Where do you think you can find some rocks at? The playground outside? Yeah. Carlos? The beach? Where else, Mary?
Home.
Yeah, at home.
I already can see a sand in the
Mm-hmm.
farm.
Do you think you could find, maybe at a farm, do you think you could find some rocks in your backyard? Yeah, so you can find rocks everywhere. They are all over the world.
I don't the ground. I live in a pond.
Ah.
The ocean.
In the ocean. Some of these rocks are even underwater. Good.
That one's.
Yep, rocks are solid minerals. Yeah, big rocks. There's big rocks. So here's some. It says rocks are solid minerals. A mineral is something found in nature that is not made by people, plants, or animals. So those are minerals because they're rocks. So it's like moss. It's kind of like grass. It's called moss. It grows on top of the rocks and it happens when they get wet. So rocks are called minerals. Minerals.
Oh, that's cool.
Yes, that's Earth. Earth is a rocky planet. The crust is solid rock. So the crust is on the outside. And it's solid rock. Alright? Below the crust is molten rock. Okay? That's called the mantle. That's all this part. Earth's core is molten and solid. So there's the mantle, there's the crust, the inner core, and the outer core. Okay? So no, what is that? That's the Earth. That's us. Yeah. So we can find rocks even in the Earth itself because the crust is rock solid. So what is it called? The inner part. What did I say it's called? The mantle. So can you guys say mantle?
Mantle.
Good.
That's mantle.
There are different kinds of rocks, and I'm going to have you look at them.
That one looks like a cow.
It does look like cow print.
Yeah, look, I have white and black. That looks like Oreo.
So there's 3 main kinds of rocks that are found on the earth. Igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. They all form in different rates. So this is the igneous rock.
Like the cow.
This is the metamorphic rock, and this is the sedimentary rock.
And white I like that one because it has like a body.
Yeah. And some of these rocks are actually part of those types of rocks too. I'm going to let you see them in a minute.
Oh, I see.
Granite is a kind of igneous rock formed with magma pools underground.
This cover was sand. That one.
So that's granite, and that's a sort of igneous rock. It's formed as the magma pools underground. You guys know what magma is? What comes out of a volcano? Like lava. So magma is like lava.
I like it more like
That's obsidian.
that almost looks like jelly.
So obsidian is a igneous rock. It's formed when magma cools above the ground. So this is magma that cools underground. This is magma that cools on top. So magma is hot at first, and then it cools down and it forms.
But how does it turn a little blue?
I way that it forms underground and then the way that it forms on top. That changes everything.
Look at that one.
So there's layers. Yep. I'm going to tell you what these are.
Like a racing track so you can race.
Almost. Layers of tiny rocks, sand, and mud build up over time. Pressure hardens those rocks, and sedimentary rocks like shale and sandstone. This is shale, and that is sandstone. Why do you think that one's called sandstone? It looks like there's sand, right?
It almost looks like you can turn when you motorcycle and try.
I don't know if you could. It may be kind of dangerous, but maybe. What are these called? Remember? Not rocks, but
It looks like
what do you find? So what do you? What do you call those?
Marsupial.
It starts with an F.
Fossils.
Fossils. So fossils are found in sedimentary rocks. They are the remains of plants and animals that were buried in sediment. Maddie?
Why is it blue?
I think that's just the way that it looks, isn't it? I think it's like a Esteban?
Last time when Mom and me went home, what was thinking, we didn't have some bones in dinosaur and I saw the body and there was like anything that
So you found fossils? So sedimentary rocks, you can find fossils in them.
I saw like a dinosaur
Fossils can be really big.
That's the rock with the wall.
This is called marble rock. So it says metamorphic rocks are made from other rocks. So marble was made by another rock. Don't do that.
That's an excavator there.
Yep. You see the pressure. Listen, heat and pressure deep inside the earth can change rocks from one kind of rock to another kind of rock. So if something gets really, really hot and there's a lot of pressure, rocks can turn into a different kind of rock. So that's why marble is made. Yes, Maddie?
How did it get down into the rock?
Well, that machine just keeps breaking apart the rock and breaking apart the rock until it gets really low and it just breaks it apart and freezes it. Yep. So it says here, wind, water, heat, and pressure slowly break down rocks, and rocks are always changing. In the future, the rocks around, the ones that you see outside on the playground, they can change in like 10 years. They can look totally different.
That water looks like it's just
Yeah. And then this is glossary. Do you guys remember what the glossary teaches you? It's usually at the back of the book and has all the words and the definition, so it tells you what the word means. That's what a glossary does, okay? But now I'm going to show you pictures.
why do you have numbers?
So it has numbers on it because it tells me what the rock is, okay? I'm only going to show you certain rocks because there's too many in it. So this rock is a obsidian. It is a igneous rock. Obsidian. You can touch it. Touch it.
It's soft.
Is it soft?
It's soft in the top and the bottom is a little it's kind of soft and then kind of soft.
So that is obsidian. The next one is granite. Granite rock. It's not as soft as the other one, right?
We learned about granite.
You did, didn't you? So that's granite. Then we have, where's number 6? This is the shale. Shale rock.
Oh, it's so wonderful and so soft.
But this one has more of a shape to it. What shape is that rock?
It almost looks like a cow.
Oh, it does. Sometimes, though, I think our counters at home are made of marble. So that's different. So we also have this one, which is sandstone, which is the one that we said looked like sand. It is rough. This one has a different color though, too. I think it's sedimentary.
It's white and
So that's sandstone. And the last one I want to show you, this really pretty one, is marble. That's marble. It's a metaphor rock. So I want to ask you guys, can you guys put these and sort them by shape? Do you think you can do smallest to biggest? We'll go Esteban. You can do smallest. So we're going to start with the smallest and go to the biggest. Good, so you put them together, so we have the smallest rock, and then it gets bigger and bigger and bigger. Good. Good job. All right. So now I'm going to have you try to tell me.
That one is that one. This one is that one.
It's not actually any of these. It's these. And I want you to try to tell me which ones they are. So look at the ones that are on the floor here, and then look at the picture. See if you can match them. Put the rock on the picture. See if you can match them. Okay? And I'll tell you if you're right or wrong. So where's the next rock though?
Oh, I know.
A one.
Just take it. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Good. Good. Okay. All right. There's only 2 left. Take that. You want to see if that one's right? Okay. Let's see if you're right. So this one is obsidian. Let's see if you're right. You were right. Obsidian. And how do you guys know how to say that in Spanish? I think it's obsidiana. Obsidian or obsidiana. All right. Let's see if you're right about this one. Now number 6 is shale. Look at that. You guys got it right. Shale. So you guys say shale. We say esquisto. Yes. All right, let's see if you're right about the next one. This one is marble. You were right. It's marble. Go sit down. It's marble or marble. Yeah, probably not saying that correct, but this one is granite. And you were right again. It's granite. So, granito. And if this one is the last one, you got it right? Sandstone. You are right. You guys got this all right. You were able to match the rocks and the pictures together. Good job. What? Oh, we could look at these when we're done here. I would love for you guys to take a look at it.
I like this one.
Well, I have something else I want you guys to do. Go sit down.
I like this one more and the diamonds.
Maybe you can leave them with Miss Wharton. She can show them.
I like this one and this one and this one.
This is for you. And this is for you. So the first thing I want you to do is put your name at the very top. Put your name at the very top of the page. And then I'm going to let you pick a rock from the floor to look at. Thank you. Good. Or I promise you we're going to get water as soon as we're finished, okay? All right, Esteban, what rock would you like to look at or draw? Marble? All right, I'm going to let you hold on to marble for a little bit, and I'm going to let you hold on to that. Maddie and Carlos, is there a rock that you would like to look at? Okay. This is obsidian. And then Maddie, out of those 3, which one would you like? The shale? All right. So now what I want you guys to do is I want you to draw a picture of how it feels, looks, or weighs. So use your magnifying glasses, look at your rock, and I want you to draw a picture of how it feels, what it looks like. It does make it bigger. Your magnifying glasses help you see something small. That's what they do. Yeah, you can do one eye. So go ahead and look at it, draw a picture of what it looks like to you, and we're going to write a sentence or 2 about it, okay? Good. Good job. All right. So since you drew your rock, I want you to start writing a sentence. We're going to say, is it hard or soft? It's hard, so you're going to say, the rock is hard. So I'm going to help you, okay? So Esteban, how do we write the word the? What's the song Miss Wharton always sings? T-H-E-E, the. So T-H-E.
I think I know how to do it.
So go ahead and draw your picture of what your rock looks like. So rock. How do we write the word rock? What's the first word or first letter you hear? What makes the sound? Yes, so R. No, he's doing his. I want you to draw a picture of your rock. All right, so what's the next letter? Ah. Ah. We have R, so ah. What letter makes the ah sound? Not L. What's this letter? Oh, so the ra ah. All right, what letter makes the? Good. Okay. K. So the rock is. How do we spell that sight word? Is. S comes second, but what's the first letter in front of it? I. She said it. What's this letter? I. The rock is. Yep. So I. S. And then hard. What letter makes the? Not. But. Not R. What's this letter? H. All right, Carlos, draw your picture of your rock, honey. And then what's the next letter we hear? R. Car. Yep. So R. And then D. Yep. D. Hard. And what do we put at the end of a sentence? A period. All right, what's something else that you can write about this rock? What color is it? White? All right, so let's write that. So you're going to write the rock. So the goes first. Yep, that's the word THE. You're going to write it again. Yep, H.
Alana and Sophia.
Remember, H has this line like this. It looks like this.
Yeah. Thank you.
Good job.
It's chart.
There you go. What's the next letter? Yeah.
Ramona.
And then you're going to write rock again. Okay. Right here. R-O-K. Rock. But remember finger space. So put your finger there and then write it. Good. So you have the rock and then is. Good. All right, Maddie, can you start drawing or writing a sentence about what your rock looks like? What shape is your rock? Okay, so you can write the rock is a square.
Is it like rock? Is it shape?
Yours, I don't really know what shape yours is, but you can write a sentence about what color it is.
Oh yeah, our teacher.
Oh. So not hard again. We're gonna write what color it is. What color is it? White. So what's the letter in white? What? What letter makes the W sound? Is it W or R? What? Yeah? Okay, W. Oh, you didn't. So W, W, and then I.
Everybody is getting like this. Everybody is starting talking. Everybody starts talking like this.
Sorry. So W, I. What's the next letter?
I don't know.
No. T. Is it K or T? Yeah. So the rock is white. Alright, so you are writing the rock. What's the first sound we hear in rock? And then put a period at the end, remember? add more to your picture, or you can try to write a third sentence by yourself.
I mean,
So rock. Well, they both make the same sound, but it's really C and. Why don't you try writing right here the name of your rock in English? Oh, good. Good job. Let's so your C. Yep. You don't close it all the way. That's okay. Right here. It's okay. Right after it. Carlos, draw your picture, baby. So the rock is. How do you write that word? Is.
You want me to draw my rock?
Yeah, that's what I want. I want you to draw the rock. What kind of shape does it look like? So the rock is A. How do we write that? And then square. What's the first time we hear in that word? Yeah, S.
Okay.
And then we have qua. Qua. Yeah? And it's going to be a lowercase e, so it's going to be like that. Qua, qua, qua.
Alright. How many goes? It's too hard.
Good job.
It's too hard to do.
If you want, you can look at some other rocks while you wait on your friends. Alright, square.
Look at this one. Maddie, Maddie, look.
And then what sound makes the Yeah. So this rock is a square. And then you're gonna put a period at the end of it. Alright, what color is your rock? White. So we're gonna do what Esteban did. And it says, well, we're going to say white because I guess he has a real white. So we are going to write a sentence that says the rock is white. So you're going to write the rock is on your second line. And then I'll help you spell the word white. So right on there, write how would you draw your rock? You can trace it if you need to. And then I put rock. Carlos, baby, trace your rock.
It's like really huge.
Rock.
What is this? Oh, this time I saw the dog.
Good job.
I saw Bumpy and Rough.
It's bumpy and rough. Yeah. Those are really good describing words. Very good describing words. So the rock is white. So
Miss Morrison,
Yes.
you pick up Ramon's bus pass, please?
I never got an email, so I didn't know. Go ahead, Ramon.
Thank you.
Wait, which one is this?
alright, Connie, let's do
I
white.
know
What,
this one is 10 minutes back.
what sound makes the what letter makes the
Right
what
here.
sound?
It's
Good.
another
W.
My
What?
other
And then I.
It's awesome, right? This is your favorite one or which one?
This is gonna put at the end of your sentence.
My favorite one is that.
Good job.
This one is the silly.
Alright, Carlos, I can work with you, but I need you to draw your picture, okay?
I want to
If you want to take your go ahead, Esteban. If you want to take your magnifying glass and look at the rock, you can. Alright?
It's too hard to.
No, it's not.
It's too hard to trace it.
You have to put it on the paper and then use your pencil to go around your shape.
I'm doing it, but it's too hard.
yeah, it was right there. They didn't move it across the room. You're good.
Yeah. Now go all the way around your shape. Oh, Hannah. Not him and Maddie. I want you to write the name of your rock. So shale. Can you do that right there?
But you wanna name your rock.
Well, every rock has a name, remember? Yours is obsidian, hers was shale, and his was marble. Thank you, Esteban. You want to put them back in there? Thank you. And I'm going to keep your paper if that's okay.
Maddie's name is almost like
All right. Thank you.
Two more bears.
No one
All right, Carlos. Let's work on your sentences.
How many bears are there?
Can you tell me what color your rock is? Okay, you can do both. So we're gonna write a sentence that says my or the rock is black. I'm gonna move this down for us to see you. Alright. So how do we write the word the? Or the? T-H-E. That spells the. Right?
And then,
So Carlos, you're gonna write T. Here. You want a different one? So right here, you're going to put the. So T first.
You know why you hit this? Like this,
H, yeah.
right here. It is
E. What does E look like?
Okay.
Okay. The rock. How do we spell rock? R. R. So
And then
ah. Good. Good.
Look at this one. This one is like.
And then the word
This one is
is.
like.
How do you
this
write
one.
is?
Yeah. Look the same, right? So this is the same color as a
Good.
pounder.
Is black.
Look at the flag. Right?
B.
So those like the
Ooh.
pounder.
Ooh.
Yeah,
Good.
with black, with
Ah.
my calendar's like white.
What's that? What letter makes the
and
A?
this
A.
color. It's two
Yes.
colors like this one and this one. So that's one.
Ooh. Ah.
This one.
Black.
This one go over
Good.
here.
And then what do you put at the end of the sentence?
Period.
A period.
The picture.
All right. What else can you say about the rock? Is it soft or hard? The rock is soft.
No, the same. And the diamond.
So why don't we say
Be
the
careful,
rock
because
is
this
smooth?
diamond.
So the rock may be smooth, which means it's kind of soft when you
It's
touch
like
it.
diamonds
So
and
you're going to
white.
put the again down here.
Look.
So
Yeah,
Maddie and Esteban, where can you find rocks again?
The beach
The beach,
and the park,
the parks,
the ocean, and on the ground, the water,
yep, under the water, in your backyard, right?
the wood.
So maybe when you guys go home, you can go outside and see if you can find some rocks. And then maybe if you bring them in, maybe I'll leave this here and we can see if your rock looks like any of those and we can see what kind it is.
This is how you spell Dutch? Wait, look.
Yep, the
Maddie.
rock.
When you put
You're
it
gonna write
in
this
the
word
light,
again
the
down
light,
here.
This one is white. Look at light, right?
Yep, rock.
And it's
Nope, down there.
going in the
R,
light.
okay, just like you did right there.
It's sparkling, like sparkles. And the light
Okay.
is putting the light.
And then you're gonna write the word is again.
Yeah, this is like a vaca. Oh,
And then how do we spell smooth? So what's the first sound you hear? What letter makes this?
S.
Yes, so S.
This one is so big. What
What letter makes the Yeah. And then ooh. It's the letter that makes the off sound. What letter makes the off sound?
And you find one
And
of these.
if it makes an ooh, you're gonna actually write
It's like
two
a
of them.
pen house.
So smooth,
I have
smooth. It's tricky. There's two letters that make that sound. We're gonna put T and H.
It makes light.
And then put a period at the end of it. Okay, now try and finish drawing your rock before the time runs out.
Look. When Miss Work can tell us, and you find out what the colors and you do like this, it turns the color.
Do you guys want to use your magnifying glasses to look at the rest of the rocks?
Yeah.
Go ahead, you can pull them out and look at them.
But look at look, Maddie. It's pushing. Carlos,
It's okay, just try your best.
Carlos, look. Remember Miss Work can tell us that you find like a rock like this, and you do like this, it makes the color in your hand.
Oh, it kind of rubs off on your hand.
Yeah, and that's why in my hand. And you make it see way.
So, when you look at a rock under the magnifying glass, you can see all of the different crevices or cracks in it. All of the different things, like the colors.
Oh, I can see the thing. This crack right here in the middle.
This one is probably my favorite.
Which one? Which one is better?
This one. I think it's really good. That one's my favorite.
This one is my favorite.
That one is quartzite.
These two is like white and blue.
Yeah. Marble and quartzite.
Oh my God.